So for you to get access to my prompt, now I left a Google Doc link in the description of this video. Click on that link and you will be directed to the prompt. Okay, so here is my prompt. All right, then you're going to copy the prompt. This is prompt 1. This is prompt 1, and then I have the prompt 2. So the first thing is to copy prompt 1. When you're done copying it, then we're going to head over to Whisk to generate our image. Go to your browser and then type Whisk AI. So to bring you here, you're going to click on this first link right here. You click on this one, and then you will be brought here. And then you're going to click on Sign in with Google. You click on it. So you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. So you click on your Google account if you already have one on your phone, or you can add an account. So you will be brought here, and then you're going to come over here to click on Browse Gallery. And then you're going to click on Enter To. Now, once you click on Enter To, you'll be brought here. So this is where we are going to be working. All right. Now, the prompt I copied, I'm going to paste it here. So this is my prompt. Then you're going to come over here to select your aspect ratio. So if you are using this video for shorts video, maybe for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, you're going to choose the 9:16 portrait. But if you are using it for YouTube, you're going to choose landscape. All right. But if you are using it for YouTube, you're going to click on landscape. But for the sake of this tutorial, because we are using YouTube, so I'm going to choose the 16:9. All right. So when that is done, now you can see it says precise preference. We're using Google Nano Banana. All right. So here we are, and then you click on create and wait for your image to load. Here we have a beautiful house. Now you can see. So Whisk has generated 2 images for us. Okay. We are using Whisk to generate these images for free at 0 cost. All right. So you can also use other image generators like Gemini. I used Gemini to generate this image right here. You can use Gemini. You can also use Grok. Okay. I used the same prompt to generate these images on Grok. Okay. So the choice is yours. It all depends on the tool you want to use to generate your image. So back to Whisk. Here you can see the 2 images. So you're going to choose the images that you like best, okay? So the first thing is to download the image. I'm going to go with this. I can as well download both and then do what I want to do, okay? So I'm going to download this image. I'm also going to download this image. So both of them has been downloaded. Now we have both images in our gallery. Then you're going to come to this place. You're going to click on this here. Let's say, for example, I'm going with this first house. So I'm going to click here. Now you can see refine. Now I want to take out the entire building. So I'm going to write remove building. All right. Then I'm going to click. Then I'm going to click send. So I'm going to wait. You can see the refine mode. The building has been removed. So I'm going to download this image again. So now we have the picture of the main building and the picture without the building. Okay. So I'm also going to go ahead with this as well. Click on this, refine, and then remove building. And then send. You can as well choose one. Okay, I just want to make multiple videos so that you can see how it's done. So here I have the building removed for the second house, for the second building. Okay, so I'm going to download. So now I have 2 images with the building and 2 images without the building. Now we are going to animate our images. So you're going to come to flow, just type flow, and you'll be redirected to the main page. So here you're going to click on new project. Click on new project. So here we are. Now you're going to come over here, right here, and select frames to video. All right. And then we're going to, this time, we're going to upload the images that we have downloaded. Now for this first frame, you're going to upload the image without the building. And on this second frame, you're going to upload the image with the building before we enter our prompt 2. So right here, our image has been uploaded, and you're going to come to this place and click landscape, and then you click on crop and save. So now we have an image here, and on the second one, you're going to upload the image with the building. So here we are. Now I'm going to copy my prompt 2. Come over to the Google Doc to copy the prompt 2. Come over here to paste your prompt, and then check the settings. I'm going to come to landscape. Okay, we're already on landscape, and then view 3.1 fast. Make sure you choose view 3.1 fast. It's 20 credits per generation. And then the output, I'm choosing 1 output, okay, so as to save our credits. All right. And then we're going to hit generate. So our video is uploading. So our video is ready. Now let's play the video. So you can see how beautiful this is. So let's try the second image. So here is this prompt, and then generate. So here our second video is ready. How beautiful. Okay, this is lovely. So you're just going to go ahead and download your videos. All right. So when your videos are ready, you can go to any editing app of your choice, but I prefer to use InShot most of the time because InShot is free. So you're going to click on video, new project, and then you're going to go ahead to upload both videos. You can see. So you can adjust the aspect ratio, and then you can remove the watermark by watching a video. You can go ahead to remove your watermark, and then because our video has the VO watermark, all you need to do to remove your watermark is select the particular video. Then you're going to come over here to canvas, you click on it, and you're going to zoom in a little. As you're zooming, you can see that the VO3 is going off, and this is it. Okay, you're going to go ahead to do same to the next clip, zoom, and then this is it. Then let's watch the entire video. this is how you create these satisfying construction videos. I hope you found value for this video. If you do, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified when I upload new video. And until I come your way next time, it's bye for now.